Tipiki yan.
Happy birthday to you. Lola ka na. Happy birthday. Kapalit ka naman. Happy birthday, Mongmong. Hindi kita kilala, Mongmong, pero nakilala kita kay Mimi dahil sobra kanyang love at hindi ko alam kung bakit kanya love na love. Yun lang, Mongmong. Happy birthday sa amin. Hello, Mongmong. Happy birthday. Mama.
Sige na, greet mo siya. Happy birthday lang, Mongmong. Happy birthday, Mongmong. Dali na. Ate, isa lang. Dali. Happy birthday,
Mongmong. Love you, Mama.
Mama. Happy birthday, Mongmong.
Happy birthday, Mongmong.
Mua, mua.
Happy birthday, Mongmong.
Mua. Game.
Hello, Kuya.
Enan.
Mama. Diba?
Ah.
Nakatira Sri Lanka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mongmong. Kiss, you kiss. Mua. Yan, nakita mo. Ayan. Yan ang room ng mga Sri Lanka. Yan. Room nila. Okay. Oo, daligin. Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mongmong. Anong Mongmong? Dali.
Baby to.
Mama. Hindi, ayoko niyan. Gusto ko yung mama mo sa mga boys. Syukran. Daddy ko, ito yung room namin. Tingnan mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Si Ate Vicky. Yan, si Ate May. Yan ang kwarto namin.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Blow the candle. Yakaman ni Ate May. Ito kay Ate Piki.
Teka lang.
Mongmong ko, yan yung kama ko. Ayo, alaga ni Ate May. Yan. Itong room ni Ate Donna. Wala si Ate Donna. Daddy, wala si Ate Donna kasi naka-duty. Double duty siya. Ayan, ito, namimiss ka na nito ng sobra-sobra, Daddy. Opo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po. Sobra. Oo, game.
Happy birthday, Mongmong.
Ano, ikaw
I'm
scan.
Carly.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Hello, Mongmong. Ako si Ate Donna. Happy birthday. Pasensya dyan, naka-duty ako. Picture lang to. Mama.
Oh, ayan. Daddy ko, ha. Nakita mo na lahat sila. Bigrit ka nila, ha. Kaya magbabait ikaw, ha. Oh, love you. I love you po. Happy birthday. Miss na po kita